So here's how to add background to text on Canva. It's actually quite easy to do, so make sure you watch to the end and don't skip any important steps. For this, first you will need to log into your Canva app. Once you are logged into your Canva app, now here you have to select the template or your design that you want to add text to. After that, click on the plus icon, and once you click on the plus icon, now this menu will appear. From here you have to simply click on the elements. Then here in the elements you have to search for the text box, and once you search for it, now these elements will appear. Now from here you have to simply select any text box that you want to add to your text. Here I'm gonna select this text box, and to select this text box I simply clicked on it, and now I will click on the three dots at the top of it. After that I simply click on the send to backward option. After that, as you can see that the background has been added to the text. Now here I'm gonna adjust this background to my text. As you can see that this background enhances my text and it looks appealing. So that's how you can add background to your text on Canva.